In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Where Winds Meet on your PC for free. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And after logging into your account, you will be taken into the store page. From here, you can click on the search box. And now just type in Where Winds Meet to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it. And this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Now, if you scroll down, you will see the Play Game and the Add to Library button. You can add it to your library to install it later on, or click on Play Game to install it right away. Then just wait until the download and installation is completed. And after it is done, you may start enjoying the Where Winds Meet game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Where Winds Meet for free on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.